Hey, how's it going, guys? It's the Merg. Let's talk about metabolism and enzymes. Metabolism can be summed up as all the chemical reactions that occur inside a cell. But in order for metabolism to proceed, there must be a specific set of pathways and enzymes regulating the process. It's a step-by-step procedure that produces products. And these products in the previous steps become the reactants in the next steps to creating a totally new product. Each reaction in this metabolic pathway requires a different enzyme. But once we've reached an abundance of the final product, how does metabolism know when to stop? One way is called feedback inhibition. The abundance of the final product may actually block or hinder the earlier reactions in the pathway, thus leading to a slowing down or even blockage to the entire process. What roles do enzymes in metabolism have? Think of enzymes as catalysts to a reaction. Scientists use the term substrate to describe the reactants used to create a final product. It's pretty easy to learn the names of enzymes because they relate so closely to their corresponding reactants. Lipids are broken down by lipase, maltose by maltase, lactose by lactase. I hope you're seeing the trend here. Most of the time, when you see or hear the word ending with a tase, just consider that an enzyme. How does the substrate know which enzyme to attach to? Well, there's a region on every enzyme called the active site, where substrates attach to and then react. Think of it as a specific puzzle piece that only the right substrate can attach to. Once an enzyme has completed its job turning a substrate into a product, it releases that product and moves on to the next substrate. As a result, an enzyme can be used over and over and over again. Scientists have quantified the amount of energy needed for substrates to react. They call it the energy of activation, or EA. It's actually the minimum amount of energy required for any reaction of any substance or substrate to occur. I'd have to forgive you if you were thinking that enzymes somehow achieve this energy of activation, but in fact, they don't. Enzymes actually lower the energy of activation, thus making the reaction easier to achieve. Without enzymes, reactions will actually still occur, but at a much slower rate. As a result, you can say that enzymes increase the rate of reaction. There are two common things enzymes do to substrates to produce a final product. The first is called degradation. Here, the substrate binds to the enzyme, and the enzyme breaks the single substrate into two new products. Another way is called synthesis. During synthesis, two or more substrates combine to produce a single large product. Coenzymes are molecules that assist enzymes. They're capable of adding atoms and even charges to the product. Some popular coenzymes are your regular everyday vitamins, with the general job to accept and hold electrons within the proteins. Others can be involved in cellular respiration, like the positively charged molecule NADP. Acting as a universal electron carrier, it can accept electrons and hydrogen atoms to form NADPH. So tune in next time for more. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.